Hello, and welcome back to CalmStep English. Today, we do something important. We review. You learned many small things before: numbers, prices, asking for help, and polite English. But learning English is not only learning, it is also remembering. Sometimes you understand a lesson, but after a few days, you forget a little. That is normal. So today, we slow down. We look again. We practice again, step by step. Imagine this. You walk into a small shop. You see something you like. You look at the price. Maybe it says $5 or maybe $10. You understand the number. You understand the price. Then you want to ask something. Maybe you say, "Excuse me, how much is this?" The person answers. You listen, you understand. Then you smile. Thank you. This is real English. Simple, calm, natural. Today, we will review these small moments. Numbers, prices, polite words. Because in real life, English is often simple like this. You do not need big words. You only need clear words and calm confidence. So relax, listen slowly, and learn with me. Let's begin our review. First, we remember numbers. Numbers help you understand the world around you. You see numbers in shops, on menus, on bus stops, and on your phone. So, let's review them slowly. Listen first. 3, 4, 5. Good. Now the next numbers. 7, 8, 9. Very good. These numbers are small, but they are very useful. Because numbers help you understand prices. Now imagine this. You walk into a small cafe. You look at the menu on the wall. You see some prices. Coffee, $3. Tea, $2. Sandwich, $5. Now you understand the price. This is how numbers and prices work together. Let's listen to some simple examples. Listen carefully. The coffee is $3. The cake is $4. The sandwich is $5. Good. Now listen again, slowly. $3, $4, $5. Excellent. Now imagine a real situation. You are in a small store. You pick up a bottle of water. You look at the price tag. It says $2. You understand the number. You understand the price, then you go to the counter. The cashier says, "That will be $2. You smile, you pay, and you say, "Thank you." Simple English, real-life English. So remember this. When you know numbers, you can understand prices. And when you understand prices, shopping becomes easy. Take a slow breath and get ready. Next, we will review asking for help in English. Now, let's continue our review. Before, we practiced numbers and prices. Now, we remember something very important: polite English. In real life, people do not speak only with words. They speak with kindness. Small words can change the feeling of a conversation. For example, listen to this sentence. Give me the menu. The words are clear, but the sentence feels a little strong. Now listen again. Could I see the menu, please? The meaning is the same, but the feeling is different. This sentence sounds calm and respectful. That is polite English. Let's look at some simple examples. Listen carefully. Could I have a coffee, please? Good. Now another one. Could you help me, please? Very good. Now listen again, slowly. Could I have some water, please? Could you show me this item? Excellent. These sentences are simple, but they sound friendly. Now imagine this situation. You are in a bookstore. You cannot find the book you want. You walk to a staff member. You smile and say, "Excuse me, could you help me find this book?" The staff member answers, "Of course, let me show you." You listen, you follow, and you find the book. Then you say, "Thank you very much." This is how polite English works in real life. Small words, simple sentences, kind feeling. So remember this. When you speak English, do not rush. Speak calmly. Use polite words. Because polite English makes conversations easier, and people feel comfortable talking with you. Take a slow breath and get ready. Next, we will practice a short, real-life conversation together. Before this, we talked about polite English. Now we practice something very useful, asking for help. In real life, sometimes you do not know something. Maybe you cannot find a place. Maybe you cannot find an item. Maybe you need information. In these moments, you can ask for help. But remember, in English, we usually ask politely. Let's listen to a simple example. Excuse me, could you help me? This is a very common sentence. It is calm, it is polite, and people understand it easily. Let's try another example. Imagine this. You are in a train station. You look around, but you cannot see the platform. You walk to a person nearby. You say, "Excuse me, could you tell me where platform 3 is?" The person listens, then they answer. Platform 3 is over there. You look in that direction. Now you understand. You smile and say, "Thank you." This is a simple moment, but it happens many times in real life. Now let's listen to another situation. You are in a supermarket. You want to find milk, but you do not see it. You walk to a staff member. You say, "Excuse me, could you help me find the milk?" The staff member says, "Of course, it's in aisle 5. You follow the direction. You find the milk. Then you say, "Thank you very much." Very simple. So remember this. When you need help, first, say, "Excuse me." Then ask your question. People will understand, and many people will help you. Take a slow breath and get ready. Next, we will practice a short, real-life conversation together. Now, let's continue. Before this, we practiced asking for help. Now we will review a short, polite conversation. In real life, conversations are usually simple. People speak, listen, and answer. Let's imagine a small situation. You are in a quiet cafe. You walk to the counter, you smile, and say, "Hello." The staff member smiles back. "Hello." You look at the menu for a moment. Then you say, "Excuse me, could I have a coffee, please?" The staff member answers, "Of course. Anything else?" You think for a moment, then you say, "Yes. Could I have a sandwich too?" The staff member nods. "Sure, that will be $5. You take out your money, you pay slowly. Then you say, "Thank you." The staff member smiles again. "You're welcome." This is a small conversation, but it is very natural. Let's listen again, slowly. "Hello. Excuse me, could I have a coffee, please?" "Of course. Anything else?" "Yes, could I have a sandwich too?" "That will be $5. Thank you." "You're welcome. Very good." You can see something important here. The sentences are short, the words are simple, but the conversation feels friendly and polite. This is how English works in everyday life. You do not need long sentences. Just speak slowly, clearly, and politely. Take a slow breath. Next, we will do a short speaking practice together. Before this, you heard a short conversation. Now it is your turn to speak a little. Do not worry. We will go slowly. Just listen first, then repeat. Ready? Listen. "Excuse me." Good. Now repeat. "Excuse me." Very nice. This small phrase helps you start a conversation politely. Let's continue. Listen. "Could you help me?" Good. Now say it slowly. "Could you help me?" Excellent. Now another sentence. Listen carefully. "How much is this?" Good. Now repeat. "How much is this?" Very good. You can use this sentence in many places. In a store, in a market, in a small shop. Now let's try another one. Listen. "Could I have a coffee, please?" Good. Now say it slowly. Could I have a coffee, please? Excellent. Now listen to one more sentence. Thank you very much. Good. Now repeat. Thank you very much. Very nice. These sentences are simple, but they are used every day in real life. Let's try a short practice together. Listen to the full example. Excuse me, could you help me? Yes, of course. How much is this? It is $5. Thank you very much. Now try saying the sentences slowly, with confidence. Remember, you do not need perfect English. Just speak clearly, speak politely, and take your time. You are doing very well. Now take one slow breath. Next, we will finish our review with a calm recap. Now, let's finish our review. Take a slow breath. Today, we looked again at many small things. But these small things are very important in real life. First, we practice numbers 1, 2, 3. Numbers help you understand prices, time, and information. Then we practiced prices, $3, $5, $10. Now when you see a price, you understand it more easily. After that, we reviewed polite English. Small words like, excuse me, please, thank you. These words make conversations feel calm and respectful. Then we practiced asking for help. Excuse me, could you help me? Could you show me this? These sentences help you communicate in real life. After that, we listened to a short conversation. A simple moment in a cafe. Hello? Excuse me, could I have a coffee, please? Of course, that will be $5. Thank you. You're welcome. Simple English, natural English. Then you practiced speaking the sentences yourself. Excuse me, could you help me? How much is this? Thank you very much. Very good. You are learning step by step, slowly, calmly, and that is the best way to build real confidence. Remember, you do not need big words. You only need clear words, polite words, and a calm voice. Your English is growing, little by little. Tomorrow, we will learn something new. Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking slowly. You are doing well.